Alright, got big things to do today. We are going to, my friend, my Uncle Bob, and I are going to take this our last load of wood and give it to somebody. Well, actually they bought it, but this is it. I mean, we've had logs bigger than that in there, which is, I guess you give it a little perspective. But we got out here with a chainsaw and we cleaned up all this. We couldn't see through there. And we had wood stacked up. And we're going to deliver it today. And then I'm going to come back home, drop my trailer, go back to the flea market. Today's flea market day. So we're going to go to the flea market and see what kind of damage we can do there, and hang out down there for about, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours. It's usually about all we can stand. But anyway, it's a lot of fun being at the flea market, I think, as a vendor, because I meet so many people and I hear so many stories. I need to take some of those stories and put them in a story format and tell you stories. But anyway, let's see if I can get that in more in perspective here. There we go. Anyway, there's my truck. We're all hooked up, ready to go. And we're going to deliver that this morning and see what happens. Well, here I am at the flea market. Made it down here, dropped off the wood. Bob went to the casino, and we're here, my wife and I are here at the flea market, just enjoying ourselves. And we've done pretty good today so far. So I'm going to let you go, and I'm going to get back